What's going on, guys? It's Paul here again, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna give you a hotel tour, and this hotel is called Grand Istana Rama Hotel, and this hotel is located on Pantai in the front door. This is what you're gonna see as soon as you stand in front of the door. King size bed over there. Very beautiful sheets. There are 4 pillows, 2 cushions, and check out this towel there. Very nice decorated. And then to my right side over here, there is a sofa, beautiful couch with cushions, and I like the table. The table is so round, made of wood, beautifully made. There is a lamp over there in the corners, and this must be the nightstand. It has 2 nightstands. And take a look at the heads of the bed. Look like it has some pad on it, and there is some painting with frame. It's so beautiful, and the ceiling is not so low, it's just very nice. It's not really high as well. And then here you can find there is a flat screen TV mount on the wall. Now this desk, this must be a hotel amenity here, where you can find 2 bottles of water, 2 cups with flower spoon. You can find here Nescafe tea, electric kettle, trash can here. And this is the name of the hotel, Grand Istana Rama, located on Pantai Kuta Street. Then check out this desk here with a very nice chair, and this is the mirror. It has such a big mirror in here. We're gonna take a look at the closet here. This is the closet. Let me open the closet. The closet is opened, and you can see here a safety box, and then clothing hanger. Let me open it again. It's all open now. You can find some rope in here, trash cans, and 1 pair of slippers. I'm gonna close it down. The door is closed, and this is just some spaces. Looks so spacey, and there is beautiful wood carving here on the wall. And then underneath there are more space as well. And check out this room. It's pretty big. It's so roomy, I guess. And the bathroom is over there. Let's take a walk into the bathroom. Finally made it to the bathroom. Welcome to bathroom after party. There is a bathtub in here. Some spaces for your shampoo or soap. And then there is a sink in here, single sink. This must be hotel amenities where you can find their shampoo, soap, some plugging here. And this must be a hair dryer. And then right here there are 2 small towels and 2 glasses, and the toilet in here. This is the toilet. Toilet paper. There is a telephone as well, trash can, and bomb shot. That's what I'm gonna call it. And over there is the floating rack for your towel, and the shower is in there. It has head shower. Let me close the door. So it has glasses door. Well everyone, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy that, and I want to say thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to keep smiling.